Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal Advanced Credit and Debit Funding Settings, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. Next, look for the account settings section in the menu. Scroll down until you find the PayPal Payments option. Click on PayPal Payments to access the payment settings. In the Payment Settings page, locate the Advanced Credit and Debit Card Payments section. Click on the Edit button next to the Advanced Credit and Debit Card Payments option. This will take you to the configuration settings for credit and debit card funding. Read through the information provided about the feature and its benefits. Once you're ready, enable the Advanced Credit and Debit Card option by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, you may need to enter additional information about your business. Fill in any required fields, such as business type and payment preferences. Then, click the Save button to confirm your changes. After saving, review the settings to make sure all information is correct. You may also want to test the payment processing to ensure everything is functioning properly. Finally, log out of your PayPal account once you complete the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.